Aren't you something to admire? Cause you shine at something like a mirror, and I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine.
So we come to this garden of love with our friends, our family, and God, surrounded by the vibrant colors of our shared dreams and the fragrance of our hopes. Today I stand before you not just as your partner, but as the sun to your blossom, committed to nurture the beauty we create together. In you I have discovered a love that is like a river deep, flowing and ever changing. I promise to honor and respect you, to be the anchor in your storms and the breeze that lifts you higher. I vow to listen with an open heart, to share laughter that dances like sunlight on the water, and to offer comfort in the shadows of life.
We now pronounce you, guess what? Husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.